Hello, it's Dan again. As you can see, most of my older birds are flying about now, which is great. They're enjoying the nice weather. It's been a long time coming. Winter lasts forever. I had a bit of a job getting them all in today because I fed them too much this morning. And they refused to come down for about 2 hours, which I could have been doing without, because I couldn't get to sleep at all last night. And I thought, yeah, I'll just lay them out for a bit. And then I started to feel really tired, and they wouldn't come down. Here's my younger birds. They're doing all good. Not so bad. Not that strong at flying yet, but won't be long. It's kind of annoying because the others are all up and about and flying, and it's like having another kid. Back to the baby steps. This one had a lucky escape yesterday. She's one of the older lot, but yeah, I was in the kitchen making a cup of tea, and she flew through the door at 100 miles an hour screaming, and the sparrow hawk had a go at her. Didn't get her, but it just scared the shit out of her. I'm probably gonna take him on a short toss in the near future. I don't know how to get that filmed. My first road trip. I won't take him far, maybe a mile, 2 miles. But I've looked on Google Maps, and where I'm taking them, they're pretty much flown over it already, so they'll be fine, I'm sure. Like they're where they are now. It's not. That's 3/4 of a mile away, over the top of that house, in the distance where those trees are. Yeah, it's half a mile, 3/4 of a mile. So a little bit further than that, they'll still be able to see where they live. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Yeah, the Russians did it.